Understanding your ISTJ personality traits can significantly enhance mental health management. Self-awareness allows you to recognize your strengths and weaknesses, enabling more effective coping strategies. Embrace your logical and methodical nature. Creating a daily routine is crucial. Allocate specific times for relaxation and self-care activities to maintain balance. Consistency in routine helps reduce stress and promotes mental well-being. Prioritize self-care. Use your organizational skills to prioritize tasks effectively. Breaking down tasks into manageable steps can reduce stress and increase productivity. This approach helps you stay focused and less overwhelmed by responsibilities. Setting realistic goals is vital for maintaining motivation. Establish achievable objectives that align with your strengths. This prevents feelings of frustration and burnout, ensuring steady progress and a sense of accomplishment. Healthy boundaries between work and personal life are essential. Clearly define work hours and personal time to maintain balance. This separation allows you to recharge and prevents work from encroaching on personal well-being. Incorporating mindfulness or meditation into your routine can significantly reduce stress and enhance focus. Taking just a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness helps center your thoughts and promotes emotional balance. Engaging in regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining mental health. Exercise boosts endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Whether it's a brisk walk or a workout, staying active recharges both body and mind. Quality sleep is essential for overall well-being. Consistently getting enough rest helps improve concentration, mood, and energy levels. Establishing a sleep routine ensures your body and mind are rejuvenated each night. Maintaining a balanced diet is vital for fueling both body and mind. Nutritious foods provide the energy needed to tackle daily tasks and keep mental faculties sharp. Healthy eating habits contribute to overall mental clarity. Fostering meaningful social connections provides emotional support and reduces feelings of isolation. Regular interactions with friends and family help build a sense of belonging and offer a reliable support system during challenging times. Seeking professional help is crucial for addressing mental health concerns. Therapists and counselors offer expert guidance, providing tools and strategies tailored to individual needs. This support fosters emotional resilience and well-being. Dedicating time to hobbies brings immense joy and relaxation. Engaging in activities you love rejuvenates the mind, offering a break from daily stressors. It's essential for maintaining a balanced, fulfilling life. Effective time management techniques are vital for staying organized and reducing anxiety. By planning and prioritizing tasks, you create a structured approach to daily responsibilities, enhancing productivity and mental clarity. Practicing positive affirmations builds confidence and reduces negative thoughts. Repeatedly affirming your strengths and capabilities fosters a positive mindset, empowering you to face challenges with resilience and optimism. Developing stress management strategies like deep breathing or yoga is essential for maintaining mental health. These practices help calm the mind, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of inner peace and balance. Creating a focused work environment is crucial for maintaining productivity. Minimize distractions by setting up a clutter-free workspace and establish boundaries to limit interruptions from others. This fosters concentration and efficiency. Practicing gratitude daily can significantly improve mental well-being. Keep a gratitude journal to record positive experiences and accomplishments. Focusing on the good aspects of life helps cultivate a more optimistic mindset. Learning to delegate tasks is essential for preventing burnout. Share responsibilities with capable colleagues or team members. This allows you to focus on high-priority tasks, enhancing productivity and reducing stress. Engaging in continuous learning keeps the mind sharp and stimulated. Explore new interests, take up courses, or read books on diverse topics. Lifelong learning fosters personal growth and a sense of fulfillment. Celebrating successes, no matter how small, is vital for maintaining motivation. Acknowledge your achievements and reward yourself. Recognizing progress boosts confidence and encourages continued effort toward future goals.